Alright guys, so this is the carbon fiber piece that you saw on the other video. Basically that piece goes right here. They're dedicated for each side. They're not reversible obviously, so the left is for the left and the right is the right. They're not marked, so please make sure you go ahead and check which one's which for each side. I went ahead and I cleaned this up a little bit. There are some little minor defects on it, but not really noticeable. So the thing you do is you clean the area. I went ahead and I opened this up just to give me a little bit of more room. Same concept as the scuff plates that you saw in another video. You take off the back piece, the red tape, heat it up, and then just place it and push, and that is all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one started. I'm gonna do both sides, and then that way you guys can see how it looks, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so there's the piece. This is how it looks. Fits right perfect, blends in with the trim, the stock trim from the Accord Sport. So show you the other side. Guys, let me know what you guys think. A little side note on one of them, the 3M adhesive wasn't adhering to the actual panel. So what I did is I removed it and I put fresh one. The one that came in seemed that it had gotten too dry or whatnot, and wasn't really adhering even if I heat it up or whatnot. So that's what I did. And then it just fits snug in there. Really nice and tight, doesn't come off. Other than that setback, but I was able to fix it. Like I said, this vendor here included extra 3M tape, so that solved the issue. So let me know what you guys think. With these two nice interior mods, we have the scuff plate. Make sure to see that other video for that install and how it looks. But here it is. These two interior mods just gives it a nice touch up on the vehicle. Let me know what you guys think. Give your comments below. Like, share, subscribe. As always, have a very blessed day. I'm out.